Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic for all car owners, the symptoms of a bad oil pump. Your car's oil pump plays a crucial role in ensuring proper lubrication to the engine components, and any issues with it can lead to serious engine problems. Before going to discuss the symptoms, first, let's talk about what an oil pump does. The oil pump is responsible for circulating oil throughout the engine to lubricate moving parts. It also plays a vital role to prevent friction and heat buildup. Its primary function is to maintain adequate oil pressure within the engine. The oil pump in an internal combustion engine is usually located at the bottom of the engine, either below or to the side of the crankshaft. It can be found inside the oil pan, where the camshaft drives it, or outside the pan, where the crankshaft drives it. The oil pump works like the heart for your car's engine. Now, imagine what happens when the heart isn't working right. Things can go wrong quickly. Understanding the signs of a bad oil pump can help you prevent major car problems. So, let's get started. 1. Low oil pressure. One of the most noticeable signs of a bad oil pump is low oil pressure. The main purpose of the oil pump is to maintain adequate oil pressure within the engine. If the pump begins to fail, it may struggle to generate sufficient pressure to circulate oil effectively. As a result, the oil pressure gauge may indicate lower than normal readings. 2. Engine noise. When an engine lacks proper lubrication due to insufficient oil flow, the moving parts can rub against each other with increased friction. Such situation leads to unusual noises. For example, knocking or ticking sounds may occur as components like pistons, bearings, or camshafts make contact without adequate lubrication. 3. Engine overheating. Oil serves not only as a lubricant, but also as a coolant within the engine. When oil circulation is compromised due to a failing oil pump, the engine may experience elevated temperatures. Without sufficient lubrication to reduce friction and dissipate heat, engine temperatures can rise rapidly, leading to overheating. 4. Engine performance issues. Reduced oil circulation can lead to increased friction and wear on engine components, impacting overall performance. As parts experience greater friction due to inadequate lubrication, they may not operate as efficiently, leading to poor engine performance. 5. Oil leaks. A failing oil pump can contribute to oil leaks in several ways. For instance, if the pump seals or gaskets wear out, oil may escape from the pump itself. Additionally, inadequate lubrication can cause increased wear on other engine components, leading to leaks from damaged seals or gaskets elsewhere in the engine. 6. Excessive oil consumption. A failing oil pump may not distribute oil effectively throughout the engine, causing increased oil consumption. Keep an eye on your vehicle's oil levels, and check for any sudden drops or the need for more frequent oil top-ups. 7. Smoke from the exhaust. In severe cases of oil pump failure, the engine may produce excessive smoke from the exhaust. This smoke can vary in color, ranging from blue to gray, and may indicate burning oil. Reduced lubrication can lead to increased friction and heat within the engine, causing oil to burn and produce smoke as it exits through the exhaust system. 8. Engine light. The engine control module of your vehicle monitors various parameters, including oil pressure, to detect potential issues. If the system detects low oil pressure, or other abnormalities associated with oil pump failure, it may trigger the check engine light to alert the driver. In case of low oil pressure due to a bad oil pump, your engine control module may trigger P0011, P0012, P0021, P0022, P0016, P0017, P0520, or P0521 engine code. 9. Engine starting issues. A failing oil pump can result in poor oil circulation, especially when the engine is cold. In such cases, the engine may experience difficulty starting, as critical components may not receive sufficient lubrication during startup. This can manifest as prolonged cranking or hesitation before the engine fires up. If you experience any of these signs, it's essential to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to prevent further damage and ensure the longevity of your engine. If your oil pump is faulty, you should replace it as soon as possible. That's it for today's video. We hope you found the information valuable and informative. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.